Today, I will be speaking about statistics and quality engineering. Quality engineering is the study of methods and the development of systems that can be used to ensure products or services that are designed and created to meet customers' expectations. Statistics is key to predict quality. Regression parameters let one use data provided by production equipment and a set of the product produced in order to attain the desirable quality. Without statistics, it would be highly expensive and nearly impossible to attain the maximum quality of a product. For example, imagine having workers just to try each branch of a product produced. Estimating regression parameters. Explanation. One of the several methods is the ordinary least square, which is divided in simple linear regression, multiple linear model, and non-linear models. Those are used because they are simple, easy to use, linearizable through the transformations, and any regular function can approximate a linear function. The linear regression employs a dependent variable y, which is affected by the independent variable x sub 1, and can describe the behavior of the first one. Please pause the video in order to see the variables. Estimating regression parameters. Quality of the Oreo cookie. In our case study, we would estimate the relation between the Oreo quality as our dependent variable. With this method, it is important to know the type of correlation between the dependent variable and independent. Variables could be positive, negative, or zero. To know the correlation in the model, we could apply different numerical measurements. In this case, we would use Pearson coefficient. We could have three principal types of correlation between x and y, where it is important to observe the plot to check if there is a linear relation, along with a strong or weak correlation. Given this coefficient, we can tell there's a positive correlation between the Oreo quality and the quality indicator. Given this coefficient, we can tell there's a negative correlation, meaning that the variables move in different directions. Given this coefficient, there is no relationship between the variables whatsoever. Now, for example, we take a sample of the population of Oreo packages, where the quality of them depends on the quantity of vanilla cream in the middle. In the process of production, we determine the amount of vanilla cream in the middle of the Oreo. We start with the quantity of the cream equal to 0, so we could have the next graphic about the regression model raised. With this simulation, we can tell that there's a tendency line, which represents a positive relation between the level of Oreo cookies quality and the quantity of vanilla cream in the middle of the cookie. We can appreciate how the quality of the Oreo cookie reacts to change of one of its quality indicators, in this case, the vanilla cream in the middle. As the quantity of the cream increases from nothing to an acceptable level, the quality of the cookie increases until a point where a lot of cream decreases the quality. Now, we can appreciate and understand how statistics, especially estimating regression parameters, helps businesses with the process of providing high-quality products. By obtaining data about the procedure mechanism and by having quality indicator for a product, quality engineers can use statistics to obtain desirable quality of a product. By knowing the variables that impact the quality, this latest can be improved through the management of the variables that have a strong correlation with it. I hope you enjoy it.